Hey guys, so welcome back. Let me show you guys how I revamp my hairs. This is my bone straight hair. Like, I've suffered this hair enough, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to turn this hair into that new bone straight silky look. So this is a warm water. It's not going to be too hot, not too cold. This is my Tresemme shampoo and my Cosmo conditioner. This Cosmo conditioner is my favorite because it has keratin. That keratin, if you don't know about keratin, you have to look it up. Keratin is a very important ingredient in making your hair look silky and beautiful. So this is how I start my wash. Make sure you first of all comb your hair thoroughly to avoid tangling. Don't just dip your hair into the water because it is going to tangle the more. Carefully comb your hair and then you start washing. Please, for some of you that wash your hairs like they are clothes or your washing towel, look closely and observe how I wash my hair.
From the thread to the glam, she owns her lane. Creative soul, never plain. Bundles, braids, all made with heart. Annie Cocolette is set in the charts. Annie Cocolette, the magic touch. Slaying wigs and styles you love so much. Ventilating dreams, DIY delight. Creating beauty day and night. Yes, she's your girl with the golden hair.
So when you're done washing, you rinse it off. I washed these hairs like twice. Depends on how dirty your hair is. If you are watching and the water is still dirty, you can do it 2 times, you can do it 3 times. Just look at your water and decide if this hair is clean, just like you wash your clothes. So once you are done washing, we are going back to conditioning. Okay, first of all, through this is our conditioner that we're going to be using. It is Cosmo conditioner with keratin. It is very good for your hair. So this is how I condition. Like, be very generous, guys, be very generous. And you comb your hair. Remember, anytime you're combing your hair, you have to start from the roots. Don't start from up and comb to down. No, you start from down and comb to up if you don't want your hair to, like, your hair is going to tangle. And make sure that you're very careful. Don't be in a rush. Okay, it's because I've not had time for a very long time. That's why I haven't like created time to revamp these hairs them. So you make sure you comb it very well. If any tangled parts, you calm down and you comb it. And mind you, anytime you apply conditioner on your hair or your weave on or anywhere, it makes it very soft, so it should be very easy for you to comb. So when you're done, you step it aside, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish the other one. And the last part of the washing, you are going to boil a hot water. You look for a zip bag or something like this that is very thick, and then you put your hairs inside and you dip it inside the hot water. So I'm going to cover it, and then I will see you guys in part 2. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video.